going on, guys? You and me, Full Win here, and today we are going to be doing a video following the last one, which was custom armor, and we are going to be doing a custom tools today. Right, so let's get started. First, in item init, well, actually, before we do anything, we're going to change armor to the right spelling, which apparently I didn't do. Then we're going to create a new section for tools. We're going to do public static final item, and this one is going to be let's think, sword underscore ruby is equal to new tool sword, and in here we're going to do tool underscore, no, we're going to do ruby underscore sword tool underscore ruby, and I think that's it, maybe. There's probably more. What's wrong here? Oh yeah, we haven't created that class yet. And we're going to do the same for all of the tools. And pickaxe underscore ruby equal to new tool pickaxe ruby underscore pickaxe pickaxe tool underscore ruby. And guys, by the way, I'm going to be getting a new mic. In fact, by the time you've seen this, I probably do actually have a new mic, because I am recording way in advance right now. So yeah, that's probably the reason. So we've got shovel, axe, one more time, get rid of the last one, and hoe, tool hoe, tool axe, tool shovel, and shovel, axe, hoe, and that should be it. So now we're going to create a new package inside our objects.items. So new package dot tools, and in here we're going to be creating 5 classes. So we're going to do tool sword, and in interfaces we're going to add iHasModel. In superclass we're going to browse for item sword, and then that should add all this for us. Add the constructor. What's this? Oh, I think we glitched it out a bit. Oh well, it's fine. And just do that, and then do also string name in there, if it would load. Oh, it's not responding. Oh, there you go. Do we need... I'm probably doing something wrong. Set unlocalized name to name. Set registry name to name, set creative tab to tutorial mod dot. Oh, what's happened here? My Eclipse is being quite slow today, if you haven't noticed. Tutorial mod dot tutorial mod tab. And then down here we need to item init dot items dot add this. I don't know what's happening here. I don't see a problem. Let's do. Oh, what am I doing? I don't know. I'm trying to. Yeah, I'm trying to do it for my other mod because I'm so used to doing my other mod that I just naturally type out the stuff. So we want this. Meta is 0 because we don't have any meta. And ID is inventory because it's an inventory item. I'm still very unaware of why this is here. It still has an error. Right, it's fine, don't worry. It'll fix itself when we reload Eclipse. It's an Eclipse error. Alright, and what you want to do is you basically want to copy this, you want to paste it, and you want to name this tool pickaxe. You want to paste it again, tool shovel. You want to paste it again, tool hoe. And you don't want to do the axe, because the axe is slightly different. So this is going to extend item pickaxe instead. And for shovel, it's going to send item shovel. And import, make sure you import all of these, by the way. I'm just doing Control-Shift-O, so it imports automatically. And it's item spade, isn't it? Import item, yeah, item spade, not shovel. Wait. Yeah, item spade. So it's spade instead of shovel. We've done sword. Oh, yep, the sword has fixed itself now too. And in here we're just going to do quick Control-Shift-O. Yep, there you go. We've now got to create our tool axe. So let's create class. In .objects .items .tools extends item tool implements I has model. Import these and we need to add the register models method. So there we go. Let's import tutorial mod. I already had it in a thing, so that I didn't have to add it myself because I couldn't be bothered. Okay, we need to add public tool axe string name tool material And then inside here we need to do super for the material, and one more thing, effective underscore on. We'll make this in a minute. Set unlocalized name to name. Set registry name to name. Set creative tab to tutorial mod tab. Item init dot items dot add this, and we need to create another method here. So public float get str versus block, and then in here we need item stack and I block state. I block state. Import those. Material is equal to state dot get material. Return material is not equal to material dot wood. Wait, I've got to find a key, and I can never find that key. And material is not equal to material dot plants, and material is not equal to material dot vine, and oh wait, no, not and, never mind. Question mark, I forget what the question mark means. Super dot get destroy speed, stack and state, colon, this dot efficiency, and that's it. So now we need to create this effective on variable. So let's go up here, let's go private static final set off of block effective on equal to sets dot new hash set in here we need to do blocks dot planks blocks dot bookshelf. There's a few things we have to do in here. Blocks dot log, blocks dot log 2, blocks dot chest, blocks dot pumpkin, blocks dot lit pumpkin, blocks dot melon block, blocks dot ladder, blocks dot wooden button. Wooden button. One last thing. Blocks dot wooden pressure plate, and then put a semicolon at the end, and make sure you import java.util.set and net.minecraft.block, and that should be it. If you have any wood things from your from your mod, you want to add them into here. So for example, we would do block init dot candy cane, for example. That's just an example. Actually, never mind, there is a few we are missing here. So we need the fences, but these are all individual things. Oh no, we have wood, don't we? So we don't need that. And stairs, yep, they're fine. Sign, no, we shouldn't need those either. They should already be in here. Just save all of that, and there you go. That should be all of these done. Now we need to create our tool Ruby. So this is pretty easy to do, as it's basically the same as our armor one. It's slightly different though. So we have a public, oh, not in capitals though. We have a public static final, no, not statoid, final tool material tool underscore Ruby is equal to enum helper dot add tool material tool underscore Ruby. I'm going to have our harvest level as 4, which is better than diamond. Diamond is 3, 4 would be much better. We're going to have our durability as 1090, no, let's have it as 1500. Let's have our efficiency. I'm just going to say 5.0f, I don't know how good that is. We're going to have our damage as 3.5f. And we'll have our enchantability as 19, that'll do. And import tool material, like that. And that should be it. This error should go away. There you go. Alright, now for our assets. So first we're going to go into our lang file. We're going to go and create a new thing under armor and do tools and item dot tool Ruby underscore sword dot name is equal to a Ruby sword item dot Ruby underscore pickaxe dot name equal to Ruby pickaxe item dot Ruby underscore shovel dot name is equal to Ruby shovel item dot Ruby underscore axe dot name equal to Ruby axe item dot Ruby underscore hoe name equal to Ruby hoe. And there's our sword, pickaxe, shovel, axe, hoe. Not the kind of hoe you're probably thinking of. Right. So we now need to actually create our what do you want to call it? You know. So we're going to copy our dark apple. We're going to paste, and we're going to do ruby underscore sword. We'll do that one first. Let's go ruby sword. Ruby underscore sword. And instead of generated, it's going to be hand held. And save. And I think that should be fine. Wait. Yep, that should be fine. Copy that. Paste. Ruby underscore pickaxe. Ruby underscore shovel. Ruby underscore axe. Ruby underscore hoe. So you're going to shovel, pickaxe, hoe, axe. And we're just going to change sword to axe. Hoe. Pickaxe. Shovel. So now all you need to do is grab the textures that you're going to want. So that should be pretty simple. You'll probably need to actually go and create your textures. Luckily I already have mine. I've made mine before. I'm just grabbing them now. Yep. And drag them into, not models, textures, items, copy files, close that up. If we now go into items, I just need to rename them. Before I now go and run the game, I just want to double check that I did do it that way round. Yes, I did. Just thought I'd check, just in case I didn't. I think that's it. Let's have a look. So guys, I'm in the game. I'm going to go into here, and yes, they're all here. So here are my tools. I never even added the armor to this board. How disgusting of me. Let me just do that real quick. That won't take 2 seconds. Like that. I'll add the sword too. Like that. Now, and let's test they work. So, first, let's get rid of this stupid ruby stuff. Right. Let's grab ourselves some wood, some stone, some sand. What else do we need? Here they are. Oh my god, there's still loads left. Anyway guys, if you did enjoy this video, please do be sure to smash your face in that like button and subscribe. If you really enjoyed, please do be sure to share it. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Come on, hurry up and die. I'll see you guys in the next video.